Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix FragPunk not working on OBS. You're getting a black screen. So what you need to do here is to first completely close OBS, then look for OBS shortcut or on search, write OBS and run as admin. And then you just need to press plus icon here, then game capture, select it, game capture, then select specific window here, and then look for FragPunk when FragPunk is enabled, and look if the problem persists and if it's working or not. If it's not working, chances are high that you have a Riva tuner on your PC and it's preventing from running FragPunk and OBS. So you just need to look for Riva tuner here, open up, then I will show you what you need to do here next. Just look for Riva tuner, then click on it and it will appear on system tray next to your clock, and then you just need to click on it and you will see this. Then press setup, and then here you need to look for one option. Just scroll down here and you will see use Microsoft Detours API hooking. Select this option here, press OK, and then restart OBS and FragPunk, and it should work. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.